Hey, Dave from BC Hydro here. I'm here with my colleague, Tarek. I know a little bit about our power lines, but Tarek's a field manager at BC Hydro, and he knows all there is to know about electrical safety. Now, Tarek, maybe you can tell us a little bit about these lines up overhead here.
Yeah, these are power lines that deliver power to your house.
Yeah, I'm just gonna put my camera down here. There we go.
So some jobs around the house, like cleaning your gutters or trimming your trees, can get you really close to these power lines.
Okay.
But you know, Dave, you don't actually have to touch the line for it to be dangerous. Electricity can jump. We call that arcing.
Right.
And that's why it's important to maintain a safe distance of 3 meters or 10 feet at all times.
Okay, so it's not even just being under the power lines I need to be worried about. It's being anywhere around them if I'm up a ladder cleaning my gutters.
Exactly. It's not only about your ladder, it's about yourself and your tools. You must maintain that 3 meters.
Okay, so a 3-meter circle all the way around the lines, and nothing, not my reach, not the tools I'm using, should come inside that 3-meter radius.
Exactly.
Okay. So Tarek, what do I need to think about when trimming trees?
So you need to make sure that the power lines on your property are clear. So make sure to trim your trees regularly. You can perform your own pruning if you'd like, but you have to make sure yourself, your tools, and the tree branches are at least 3 meters away from the power line.
Okay, but what if the tree is closer than 3 meters to the power line? What should I do then?
If it's closer than 3 meters, make sure to call BC Hydro and they can help you assess the situation.
Okay. So as a rule, when we're working around overhead power lines, if you're near, stay clear.
Exactly.